all over the internet, and this is what they say about the gift box for your stainless steel baseball bottle opener. A beer bottle opener made from real baseball leather, featuring a magnetic bottle opener and cap catcher. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The gift box for your stainless steel baseball bottle. Opener by Buffalo Bottlecraft stands out as a unique blend of sports memorabilia and practical gadgetry. Designed to resemble a real baseball, this opener incorporates authentic baseball leather and a stainless steel opener plate, assembled with stainless steel fasteners. The overall construction is solid, with a reassuring weight of 7.4 ounces, making it feel substantial in the hand without being cumbersome. The finish is classic stainless steel, which complements the tactile feel of the genuine leather, creating a product that appeals to both baseball enthusiasts and those seeking a conversation piece for their kitchen or bar. One of the most celebrated features of this bottle opener is its magnetic mount. The built-in magnets allow the opener to attach securely to any magnetic surface, most commonly the refrigerator. This not only provides convenient access, but also ensures the opener is always visible and ready for use. The magnetic feature extends to the cap catcher function, which is highly praised in user reviews. When opening a bottle, the cap is caught by the magnet, preventing it from falling to the floor or rolling away. This small but thoughtful detail adds a layer of practicality that sets the product apart from standard bottle openers. The design is not just about function, it is about form as well. The baseball shape and real leather exterior give the opener a nostalgic and authentic look. Many reviewers highlight the appeal of the product as a gift, particularly for baseball fans, coaches, and players. The ability to write or add a signature on the ball before gifting is another appreciated touch, making it suitable for commemorative occasions, team celebrations, or as a personalized keepsake. The packaging, which includes a gift box, further elevates the presentation, making it ready to gift right out of the box. Performance-wise, the opener is reliable and efficient. The stainless steel plate is robust, providing enough leverage to open bottles with minimal effort. The ergonomic design, shaped to fit comfortably in the palm, ensures that the opener is easy to use for people of all ages. The magnetic mount means it is always within reach, and the cap catcher function works consistently, as confirmed by multiple users. The opener is suitable for a variety of settings, including parties, camping trips, sports events, and casual gatherings at home. Its portability and durability make it a versatile addition to any collection of kitchen or bar tools. User feedback from various platforms, including Buffalo Bottlecraft's own website and other retail sources, is overwhelmingly positive. Customers frequently mention the high build quality, with many noting that the opener feels well-made and durable. The novelty of using a real baseball, combined with the functional aspects, makes it a standout gift idea. Some have purchased multiple units for special events, such as themed parties or as guest gifts for sports-related celebrations. The product's appeal to both young and older recipients is a recurring theme, with teens appreciating the cool factor and adults valuing the craftsmanship and nostalgia. However, no product is without its drawbacks. A few users have noted that the magnetic strength, while generally sufficient, may vary depending on the surface it is attached to. On some refrigerators with thicker doors or non-standard finishes, the magnet may not hold as firmly as expected. Additionally, the leather exterior, while authentic and attractive, may show signs of wear over time if handled frequently or exposed to moisture. This is typical of natural leather products and can add to the character of the item, but it is something to consider for those who prefer a pristine appearance. Customization is another aspect that some users have inquired about. While the current model is not customizable through the manufacturer, the ability to write or add a personal touch to the leather surface partially addresses this desire. For those seeking a truly bespoke item, this may be a limitation, but for most users, the existing design and the option for personal signatures are sufficient. In terms of maintenance, the opener is easy to clean. The stainless steel components can be wiped down with a damp cloth, and the leather can be treated with standard leather care products to maintain its appearance. The compact size, with package dimensions of approximately 3.23 by 3.15 by 2.2 inches, means it does not take up much space and can be stored easily when not in use. The product is not dishwasher safe due to the leather, but this is a minor inconvenience given the ease of manual cleaning. The bottle opener's versatility extends beyond its primary function. As a fridge magnet, it can also serve as a decorative piece, adding a touch of personality to the kitchen or bar area. Some users have used it as a display item, especially in sports-themed rooms or man caves. The combination of form and function is a key selling point, and the product manages to balance both effectively. The gift box for your stainless steel baseball bottle opener has a customer review rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars based on 14 ratings on Amazon. It ranks #2 647 in bottle openers and is positioned as a mid-tier bestseller in the kitchen and dining category. The consistent praise for quality, design, and usability is echoed across multiple platforms. The few negative comments are generally minor and do not detract significantly from the overall positive impression. Comparing this opener to other novelty or themed bottle openers, such as those made from baseball bats or featuring team logos, the Buffalo Bottle Craft model distinguishes itself through the use of real baseball materials and its integrated magnetic features. While other openers may focus on visual appeal or branding, this product delivers both a tangible connection to the sport and practical enhancements that improve the user experience. The lack of dishwasher compatibility and limited customization options are outweighed by the strengths in design, build quality, and everyday usability. For those considering this product as a gift, it is especially well suited for sports fans, fathers, coaches, and anyone who appreciates unique and functional gadgets. The packaging and presentation make it a ready-made gift, and the ability to personalize the leather with a message or signature adds sentimental value. The product's durability ensures that it will be appreciated for years to come, making it a memorable and lasting present. In summary, the gift box for your stainless steel baseball bottle opener by Buffalo Bottle Craft is a thoughtfully designed, well-crafted gadget that successfully merges sports nostalgia with everyday utility. Its magnetic mount and cap catcher functions are standout features that enhance convenience and reduce mess. The use of real baseball leather and stainless steel provides both authenticity and durability, while the gift-ready packaging and personalizable surface make it an excellent choice for special occasions. User reviews from across the internet consistently highlight the product's quality, appeal, and practicality. Minor drawbacks, such as variable magnet strength and the natural wear of leather, are outweighed by the overall positive experience reported by customers. If you are looking for a unique gift or a functional addition to your kitchen or bar, this bottle opener is a strong contender. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. If you have tried this item, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision.